Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we get to the heart of every product so you can make the best decision for your home. Today, we're taking a close look at the Bissell 2252 CleanView Swivel Upright Bagless Vacuum, an option that promises powerful pet hair pickup and specialized tools for the messiest of homes. With its swivel steering and multi-surface cleaning capabilities, let's see if this vacuum can live up to the hype. The Bissell 2252 CleanView boasts several features designed to make cleaning easier, particularly for pet owners. The first standout feature is its swivel steering, which allows for maximum maneuverability. If you've ever struggled to get around furniture, you know how frustrating it can be. But with this vacuum, navigating around obstacles is almost effortless. Whether you're cleaning around tables or chairs, the swivel head ensures you won't have to wrestle with the vacuum to get the job done. This model uses Bissell's multi-cyclonic cleaning system, which helps maintain suction power, even as the dirt tank fills up. That's important for maintaining consistent performance, especially in larger areas where dirt accumulates quickly. The system also features an airflow indicator, which shows you when it's time to clean the filter or empty the bin, so you're never left wondering if it's still running at peak efficiency. Now onto the real challenge for many vacuums: pet hair. The Bissell 2252 tackles this head-on with its triple action brush roll. This brush is designed to loosen, lift, and remove embedded pet hair from carpets and furniture. Pet hair can be a nightmare to clean, especially when it's worked its way deep into the fibers. But this brush roll promises to make the job easier. The brush also features scatter-free technology, which prevents pet hair and debris from flying across your hard floors, keeping your cleanup neat and contained. In terms of cleaning performance, Bissell 2252 excels on a variety of surfaces. Whether you're tackling carpets, rugs, or hard floors, it adapts seamlessly. On carpets, it provides a solid clean by pulling up dirt and hair, but it's particularly effective on pet hair, which can often be difficult to remove. On hard floors, the scatter-free technology does its job well, preventing debris from spreading out of reach. The large dirt tank capacity means less frequent emptying, which is a plus for larger homes or those with pets who shed frequently. The vacuum's weight is fairly standard for an upright model, and while it's not the lightest on the market, it's still manageable for most users. The ergonomic carry handle helps, especially if you need to move the vacuum between rooms or upstairs. While we're on the subject of stairs, the Bissell 2252 comes with a pet hair tool, which is great for tackling those areas as well as upholstery. It's handy for getting into corners and crevices, which is essential when you're dealing with embedded pet hair. When it comes to noise, this vacuum operates at a typical volume for an upright. It's not excessively loud, but it's not exactly whisper quiet either. For most people, the noise level is pretty standard, though pet owners might appreciate the quieter operation compared to some other high-powered vacuums. As for maintenance, the Bissell 2252 is relatively easy to care for. The filter is washable, and the dirt tank can be emptied with a simple button press, so you won't have to deal with bags or complicated setups. The brush roll is also easy to access for cleaning, which is important if you have long hair or pet hair that tends to tangle. On the downside, the Bissell 2252 is on the bulkier side, which could be a challenge for people with limited storage space. It also doesn't feature advanced filtration systems like HEPA, which might be a concern for allergy sufferers. While it's great at picking up pet hair, it doesn't offer the deep filtration that some other vacuums with HEPA filters provide. When compared to other vacuums in its price range, the Bissell 2252 is a solid contender. For instance, the Shark Navigator Lift Away offers similar pet hair pickup and swivel steering, but comes with a detachable canister for easier cleaning of stairs and furniture. The Hoover Wind Tunnel 3 has great suction power, but lacks the specialized pet tools and the scatter-free technology that Bissell offers. If you're looking for a vacuum that's geared specifically for pet hair and multi-surface cleaning, the Bissell 2252 is a strong choice, though it might not be the best fit for those who need advanced filtration for allergies. The build quality of the Bissell 2252 is solid for the price point. The plastic feels sturdy, and the vacuum doesn't seem like it will fall apart after a few uses. While it may not have the premium feel of higher-end models, it's built to last and should stand up to regular use in most households. The dirt tank is easy to remove and empty, and while the hose and wand are functional, they might not feel as robust as those on some more expensive models. When it comes to longevity, Bissell is a trusted brand, and while we don't have long-term data on this exact model, their vacuums generally have a good track record for reliability. If you're concerned about wear and tear, it's easy to find replacement filters and other parts if needed. If you're someone who needs customer support, Bissell is known for being responsive, and their website offers helpful troubleshooting guides and manuals. Their customer service has a generally good reputation, so if you run into any issues, they should be able to assist you promptly. For those considering a vacuum with smart features or the latest tech, the Bissell 2252 doesn't have any app integration or advanced software. It's a straightforward, no-frills vacuum that focuses on getting the job done with powerful suction and great tools for pet owners. In conclusion, the Bissell 2252 CleanView Swivel Upright is a strong contender in the mid-range vacuum market. It excels in pet hair removal, maneuverability, and multi-surface cleaning. If you're a pet owner, this vacuum offers great value for its price, especially with the pet tools and scatter-free technology. However, if you have allergies or need a vacuum with advanced filtration, you might want to look elsewhere. The Bissell 2252 is ideal for those looking for an affordable yet effective vacuum for everyday cleaning, especially if you have pets. Thanks for watching today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Have you tried the Bissell 2252? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, we'll see you next time for more honest and thorough reviews. Keep your space clean and your life simpler. From Reviews Inside TV.